Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2221 at Renaissance Kuala Lumpur Hotel and Convention Centre. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. Right there, we have the master switch for the room, a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, together with the do not disturb and makeup room switches. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Straight ahead, we have the bathroom with hooks, a bathtub, a sink in the middle. To the right of the sink, we have a couple of glasses, all the bathroom amenities. And below we have towels, a weighing scale, hair dryer, extra toilet paper, the bin, another toilet paper roll right there, box of tissues, and a bar of soap. And there's also another bar of bath soap right there. Right above the sink is a mirror with a ring light and a power outlet. Hello? The toilet is right there with the spray. And here we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the rain shower right above and a handheld shower right there. Next to the shower, we also have the bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel. Light switches. And if you want more privacy for the bathroom, there's always a sliding door. Right here, we have the pantry area with another mirror, climate control panel, bottles of water, coffee machine, power outlets. Here we have the kettle and ice bucket. And here we just have storage. Here we have mugs, glasses, more mugs, and all the snacks, together with the minibar price list. And here we have the fridge. It is not empty, but you still have a bit of space to store your own items in. Okay, so here we have the walk-in wardrobe with a place to put luggage, light switch, a mirror on the right wardrobe door, and behind the right side of the wardrobe we have storage right above, in-room safe, the laundry stuff, and extra storage down below. Meanwhile, to the left of the wardrobe, we have in-room slippers, bathrobes, hangers, ironing board, and a bit of storage right above. Right, further inside the room, we have a power outlet down there, desk area with the desk chair, storage, couple of power outlets, one USB-A port and a light switch. some hotel information. And right here we have the two pieces of paper that the hotel gave me when I checked in. One is to let me know stuff regarding the hotel, and right here we have the restaurants and all the facilities. Opposite the desk area, we have storage, a flat screen Samsung TV that can actually be twisted around so it can face the bed instead. TV remote. Here we have a table, a sofa, another sofa with another table, a standing light right there, an armchair, and on the right bedside table we have a drawer, in-room telephone, writing materials, a clock, all the various light switches, a power outlet, a light. There's also a light strip above the headboard, and the bed is right there. It does look quite comfortable. Moving on to the left bedside table, we have the same drawer, but this side is empty. We just have an Earth Matters leaflet with a light switches, and a power outlet. Now, as for the view, I'll show you a better view in the morning since it's really dark outside right now. So yeah. Okay, so this is the view out of the window in the morning. We can see the Petronas Twin Towers in the distance, 4 Points by Sheraton next door, which I did stay there last time. You can also see all of the buildings surrounding the hotel. Some sort of a mini theme park for children down below. That is part of the hotel, as well as the hotel's swimming pool. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2221 at Renaissance Kuala Lumpur Hotel and Convention Centre. Thanks for watching and goodbye.